How to manage self-care after the affair. Discovering that a spouse has had an affair is undoubtedly one of the most emotionally devastating experiences a person can go through. The shock, betrayal, and heartbreak can leave an individual feeling lost, vulnerable, and overwhelmed. During this tumultuous time, focusing on self-care takes on an essential role in the journey toward healing and rebuilding one's life. It is not just an act of self-indulgence. It is a means of reclaiming one's sense of identity, strength, and resilience. Here are some examples of how a person might prioritize self-care in the aftermath of such a traumatic event. 1. Pray about it. There is nothing wrong with admitting that you don't know what to do and how to go about healing from what has happened. But what better way to start than talking to the one who created relationships in the first place? If you have faith, God will not only guide you, but He will comfort you also throughout this process. 2. Take your time. You do not have to rush the process of healing. The timetable of healing is different for everyone, and no one can tell how to process all that you may be feeling at the moment. There will be times when you are at peace with who you are and where you are at with everything that has taken place, but then there may be times when you feel utter rage. Keep in mind that it is okay to take time for yourself and make yourself a priority. You will go through a medley of emotions many times, and guess what? It is okay to have these emotions. Just be patient with yourself. 3. Regain trust in yourself. Finding out that someone has been unfaithful to you can cause you to second-guess yourself and your decisions. People who practice self-care are more likely to trust their own judgment and instincts, which in turn helps them feel more confident in themselves. 4. Counseling and psychotherapy. Seeking professional psychotherapy or counseling as part of the process of processing one's feelings and gaining perspective is an essential step. It is possible for a person to attend individual sessions of therapy in order to work through their feelings of betrayal, anger, and confusion, as well as to develop coping mechanisms for navigating the aftermath of the event. 5. Invest in your physical health. The state of one's physical health, exercising, running, hiking, or meditation are all examples of physically active pursuits that can help alleviate stress and anxiety. Emphasizing on maintaining a healthy diet and making sure you get enough sleep are two other important things you can do to promote your overall well-being during trying times. 6. Create a support network. A sense of belonging and comfort can be gained by surrounding oneself with a supportive network of friends and family members. This network can be beneficial in many ways. The process of discussing the matter with people you can trust can provide an emotional release as well as different points of view. 7. Engaging in hobbies. A much-needed distraction from the anguish caused by the affair can be found in the form of resuming hobbies or activities that the individual once enjoyed and that brought them joy and fulfillment. Participating in creative pursuits, whether it's painting, playing an instrument, gardening, or any other form of expression, can help one feel like they've achieved something, regardless of the activity. 8. Start journaling. Keeping a journal in which one processes one's thoughts, feelings, and reflections can be a therapeutic way to deal with difficult emotions and monitor their development over time. Writing in a journal provides a protected environment in which to express oneself and provides valuable insight into one's own personal development. 9. Engage in mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness and meditation are both beneficial practices that can assist with managing anxiety and stress. The process of emotional healing can be helped along by developing the ability to let go of negative thoughts and learning to be fully present in the moment. 10. Set boundaries for yourself. When going through the process of healing from an affair, it is possible that it will be necessary to establish clear boundaries with the cheating spouse. This allows the person to safeguard their mental health and create a secure setting in which they can recover from their addiction. 11. Make time for self-reflection. Personal development and getting to know oneself can be facilitated by giving oneself time to think about what one wants, what one needs, and what one values. This kind of introspection can help a person gain clarity about what they want out of life going forward, whether it be to work on repairing their marriage or pursue a different path. 12. Explore new interests. A person's life can be prompted to undergo a period of self-examination and re-evaluation when they learn that their partner has been having an affair. This can lead them to investigate new areas of interest or opportunities that they may have previously disregarded. 13. Attend support groups. Attending support groups. Participating in support groups that are intended solely for people who have been betrayed in a relationship can help one feel more connected to a community and more understood by others. It can be therapeutic to listen to the experiences of others and to talk about one's own past. 14. Have pampering and self-care rituals. Self-care rituals, such as taking long baths, indulging in spa treatments, or even treating oneself to a special meal, can be beneficial to one's self-esteem and provide a sense of comfort. 15. Educate yourself on something new. A sense of empowerment and resilience can be fostered by devoting time and energy to the acquisition of new skills, the perusal of books on self-improvement, or attendance at workshops on topics such as healing and personal development. The unique paths of self-care. The journey toward healing is deeply personal, and there is no one-size-fits-all approach to self-care. Each individual's preferences, needs, and circumstances shape their chosen path. Some may find solace in immersing themselves in nature, while others might seek refuge in creative endeavors like painting or writing. Engaging in physical activities, spending quality time with loved ones, practicing self-compassion, or even seeking professional help. All these avenues constitute valid forms of self-care. Self-care after an affair is very important for the cheated spouse to regain a sense of value and self-worth. The cheated spouse can lose themselves in the midst of trying to figure out what they may have done wrong in the whole ordeal. Self-care allows for emotional healing, reclaiming identity, and restoring one's self-esteem in addition to regaining control of one's life. Also, keep in mind that the previously mentioned self-care tips are not only for women but men also. The impact of infidelity reaches deep into a person's emotional and psychological well-being. Engaging in self-care is not only a means of survival but a vital step toward healing, growth, and the restoration of a sense of self. It provides the tools and resources necessary for individuals to navigate the complexities of their emotions and circumstances, ultimately helping them rebuild their lives and find a renewed sense of purpose and happiness. Many people have been where you are and have pushed through the difficulties of infidelity. They have been angry, have prayed, cried out loud, and even yelled at the top of their lungs, from out of the pain that they were feeling. But take it from me, there is healing waiting for you on the other side of self-healing. Just stay encouraged and motivated. Thanks for watching Motivate My Marriage. Please be sure to like, subscribe and share.